This is Mofo. Got a new gun. It's an Echo 1 XK.mp4. It's a CQB gun, but I added some things. I put this grip on from UTG-M4, the stock, crane stocks from UTG. I put the metal sights, I put the foregrip, and the mock silencer. This is the same gun that's on ebike.com, but it's changed. And the reason I changed it is because a friend of mine's going to use it when we go to Jericho. So what we're doing now is I got a 500 round mag in here, and I'm going to do a semi-auto and a full auto on this. We're going to see how it shoots. It's got a 10.8 volt battery, nickel metal hydride, and it's a 1100. They don't tell you that when you get out of the box. They don't tell you that anywhere. So the first time I charged it on 2 amps. It got too hot and it almost burned up. So I charged it on 1 amp this time, and it took about 30 minutes and it's fully charged. So we're going to see what it does. We're going to shoot those bottles right there, just like in the last video. First we're doing semi-auto. Now we're going to full auto. It's 500 round mag. This is my friend Stone. It's the gun he's going to use when we go to Jericho. Now he's going to try to break the bottles with 300 round mag. As you can see, the bottle broke. What's your opinion of this M4?
Mighty nice.
So this is the Echo 1 M4 XK CQB with a little bit of extras. Okay, I forgot to mention that this is a 10.8 volt battery. I got a 500 round mag in it, but for $190, that's how much this gun costs. $190. It's a good setup for going and playing, because a lot of people don't have a lot of money. I've spent probably $1,000 on guns. This little one right here is probably the easiest and the fastest to set up. And it comes, this is shooting right out of the box. It shoots 380 out of the box. 15 a second. Now I'm going to dump this clip and try to break that bottle over there. Broke the bottle. Go out and buy one of these. Later.